Now that the fur is ready to go, let's prep the cotton. So your 1/2 meter of cotton is actually enough to do 2 linings. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna find our selvage edge. We can see that because of the unique markings and the finished edge, to cut that in half. So it's now in 2 parts. One length, 2 lengths. So we don't need the second one. This will be our backup. So then we'll want to line the fabric up so that it's even. You can tell it's even because it lays flat. There's one continuous bend. If this was uneven, it would be something like this. This would be uneven, where it wants to have more than one bend. So we'll go with the fabric. Just give it a little shake. Even pressure in the middle. There you go. There's your center. So using our hood pattern, we can map out the lining. So we want to pay attention to our fold line. We'll want to match it up with the fold line here. And again, our cut line here. That looks good. Mark it out with our Sharpie. The rest of this, we can just leave this. This is all salvage, this is extra. You can trim it, but it's easier to trim it later. We'll just tidy that up. I use a bigger, longer pair of scissors for the cotton. It doesn't have the same fur to worry about, so we can make longer strokes with our cuts. Now we're ready for pinning, ready for sewing.